You might not be able to buy the next generation Alfa Romeo Stelvio until the fall of 2026. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where word around town is there's expected to be some production delays for the new Stelvio and for the next generation Giulia. Yeah, more delays are on the horizon as it was confirmed that the Casino plant will be closed until May 5th and that production levels are among the lowest ever. But the bad news doesn't stop there. From Casino, there are rumors that the production of the new Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Giulia will suffer delays. Now, as for the new Stelvio, which I'm showing you some renders here, there's talk of production that will not start until mid-2026, while for the new Alfa Romeo Giulia, it could be discussed at the end of 2026, but perhaps early 2027 is more likely. Obviously, concern is growing among unions and employees given that until the start of production of these two models, it's not clear on how long the plant will be active. And at this point, if these rumors are confirmed, the probability that the presentation of the second generation Stelvio can take place towards the end of the year increases. However, don't rule out a preview on the occasion of the 115th anniversary of Alfa Romeo on June 24th. But perhaps it will not be a complete presentation, only a first preview of the model. Now, the reasons for these delays are not known. Some hypothesize that they are linked to the engines, but we're not exactly sure. Also, President Donald Trump's tariffs do come into play when it comes to producing these cars and importing them here to the United States, which could also slow down some potential moves when it comes to Alfa Romeo and how they market and deliver these cars. Now, what is certain is that the new Alfa Romeo Stelvio will be a fundamental model for the relaunch of the Bichione, which after an excellent start to marketing the Alfa Romeo Jr., hopes to repeat the feat with its D-segment SUV when it can finally be ordered, hopefully starting by the middle of next year. I want to remind you that this car will arrive on the market in electric and hybrid versions, which the electric version is set to be previewed first. Now, at the moment, it is not yet clear whether the top of the range Quadrifoglio will be only electric or hybrid, or if there will be two different versions, which in my opinion, well, that's probably unlikely. I'm gonna say hybrid for the Quadrifoglio, but in order to reach that 1,000 horsepower that the Quadrifoglio was set to reach, Stellantis said it will be fully electric. So we're not exactly sure what's coming, but we know it's coming. The design will change from these renders that you guys see here today, but this is one of our closest look compared to the current spy photos that we've seen and all of the information we know about the new Stellantis Stella Large platform that the Alfa Romeo Stelvio will be sitting on. But with that said, what do you guys think? When will this Alfa Romeo Stelvio finally show its face to the world? And when do you think these Stelvios will finally hit dealership lots? I'm going to say hopefully by fall 2026. I would love to see it earlier, but that's not how things work. And when these do come and hit the market, will it be too late for the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and for the Italian brand, especially here in the United States? Drop those comments down below. What do you guys think? Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but also make sure you guys check the links in the description for those Ron's Rise links in case you guys want to help further support the channel. I appreciate the extra love. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.